Hey there, folks. Today, I've got something pretty special to share with you, the LIMKOMES rolling stool with removable footrest. Now, if you're someone who spends long hours on their feet, whether you're a dentist, a salon professional, or even a student in a classroom, you know how crucial it is to have the right seating solution. And let me tell you, this stool doesn't disappoint. Let's talk ergonomics. The design of this stool is top-notch. From the round metal footrest that works wonders on your legs' nerves to the unique backrest that offers fantastic support, it's clear that comfort was a priority in its creation. And speaking of comfort, the high-quality PU leather coupled with the high-density elastic sponge make for a luxurious seating experience. Durability is another key feature here. Crafted with a premium metal frame and a sturdy 5-star base, this stool is built to last. The casters glide smoothly and quietly, allowing for seamless movement in any direction. Plus, with its adjustable seat height ranging from 21.6 inches to 29.3 inches, you can customize it to fit your needs perfectly. Now, let's talk versatility. This stool isn't just for dentists or salon professionals. It's suitable for a wide range of environments: hospitals, laboratories, medical offices, SBAs, classrooms, dormitories, and even homes. Wherever you need comfortable seating with exceptional support, this stool has got you covered. And hey, if you ever encounter any quality issues, don't sweat it. LIMKOMES has got your back with their commitment to providing high-quality products and exceptional service. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a rolling stool that offers comfort, durability, and versatility, look no further than the LIMKOMES rolling stool with removable footrest. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.